Welcome to today's episode where we're taking routines beyond the basics, because routines shouldn't just manage a classroom. They should boost engagement, independence, and student ownership. Many routines focus on teacher control, but shifting to student-led routines creates a more dynamic, engaged learning environment. Here's how. Rotate discussion leaders. Let students facilitate group discussions. Use weekly goal setting. Have students set personal learning goals and track progress. Gamify learning routines. Use structured challenges to make review sessions fun and interactive. Try this quick win. Implementing one student-led routine this week, like a peer feedback system or student-led reflection time. Observe how students respond and adjust as needed. Want more expert strategies? Check out our blog and podcast. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly classroom insights. Let's build classrooms where engagement meets excellence.